Hare Krishna. Could you transform your japa in 5 hours? In our first online japa retreat ever, over 700 devotees did just that. And the feedback was so amazing and so positive that we decided we have to do this again. This is really an amazing platform. So devotees were telling us things like, I've never chanted such good rounds, or I've never had such taste, or my spiritual life has become so much better. And I'm finding it so much more pleasurable and so much easier to chant. And that's powerful. So let me tell you about my involvement. I got involved in helping Sachinandan Swami about 18 years ago. And since then, I've been teaching japa retreats. And what I do now is I take the principles from all the retreats, the ones that really work, the best of the best of the best, and I put that into my japa retreats. And in those japa retreats, we've seen devotees say things like, this was the best thing I've ever done in my life. And senior devotees were saying that. So it's become, actually over the years, it's become better and better and better. And so now in this 5 hours, I can share the best of the 18 years of what I've learned. You know, it's really interesting because in my retreats, I've asked devotees, are you satisfied with your japa? And they say, not really. It's not really that good. I don't really have a taste. Many, I would say many. And they say, I'm not really doing anything about it. And a lot of them say, I don't even know what to do about it. So that's why japa retreats were created. So we could help you do something about it. And I just want to explain how we do that. What we teach is simple, but it's extremely effective because we teach you ways to think and that are natural, things you can do that will help you control your mind without much energy. It just happens naturally. And then I help you understand the position of japa in the practice of bhakti. So then you'll naturally give it a priority because you understand fundamentally how important it is. And one of the most powerful things I've discovered is connecting to the emotional side of the holy name, the connection to the meaning, not intellectually. Because when you do that, you have this amazing experience. It's one of the deepest experiences you can have when you connect this way. My experience, this is what devotees tell me. And then I share attitudes with you that if you bring them into your japa, it just becomes more pleasing, it becomes easier to chant. Naturally is the word. And then I help you develop the right mindset before you begin chanting, so that it's kind of like guarantees if you're in the right mindset, you'll have good japa. And I just share principles that will just make it easier for you, attitudes, practices, ideas. So my request is don't spend the rest of your life with okay japa, do something about it. I am committed to do everything I can to help you. This is my offer. I want to do this. This is what I've dedicated my life to do. And in order to do that, what we do is we send you during the retreat and after text messages, videos, summaries of what we've done, guided meditations, the whole notes of the workshop. So we just keep you going on and on. We work with you. And then we do different levels of japa retreats. So this first level is just the beginning. We don't want you to just take this and go away. But this is what we do for you. It will be my great honor to serve you by helping you improve your japa. And my humble invitation is please register. You know, live japa retreats, 5 days, 60 hours, hundreds of dollars, and you're going to get the best of those retreats in the comfort of your home, 2 sessions of 2.5 hours for a few dollars. That's amazing. Improving japa is the best thing you can do for your spiritual life. And to improve our japa, we need time. I need to give it time, energy, attention. And that's what we do at the japa retreats. And so I hope to see you there and allow me the honor of serving you. So here's the schedule. It's on the screen. Choose the workshop that works best for you. The registration information is there, and it's also in the description. Hare Krishna.